Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Kuta Town in June 2021. If you want to know how look like the condition at the moment in this town in Kuta, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore the condition in Kuta. Okay, now we start from Legian Street. You can see the shop left side, right side, yeah. So there is a lot of shop still closed around this time. It means Bali is very quiet. Oh, that is Love Hotel. Looks so quiet. And this Legian 101, also quiet. You can see from the sidewalk, there's no people there. It's just very quiet. Okay, now we reach ground zero. It's the heart of Kuta. Usually in this area, lots of people, because in this area is everything easy. You can go to the bar, cafe, restaurant and shopping. Okay, now we reach the monument memorial from the boom 2002, a long time ago. There is the name, those people died there. There is the police and firefighter spray antiseptic for corona. From the heart of Kuta, I will continue driving to go to the beach of Kuta. And then on the way up, we will driving around Kuta, and I just want to show you how look like the real condition at the moment right there. See right side, left side, a lot of the shops still closed there. So what do you think about the weather today? It's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay, they did the shop, left side. There is a lot of shops still closed, but some open. It's very sad, isn't it? Also the right side. It looks like all the shop is closed there. Okay, now we continue driving to the Raya Kuta Street, and now we are in Raya Kuta Street. Also you can see from on the video, there is the shop still closed there. A lot of shop still closed, not starting business yet. Actually, I make this video on around 11 AM. and usually the shop is open 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay, now we will explore the heart of shopping center in Kuta. In this area, usually 1,000 and more people hang around to have some shopping, because in this area we have art market and Matahari department store, the biggest store in Kuta. You see this Matahari? But closed. Okay, so this is the condition at the moment at the department store of Matahari Kuta. Still very quiet right there. And now we will explore beach of Kuta. I just want to show you how to like the condition right there exactly in this time. In June 2021. You see the weather? It's very beautiful, isn't it? Oh, very sad. There's no people there. It's very quiet. Okay, from the Kuta beach, we will explore Raya Kuta Street. This is Hard Rock Cafe. And usually in this area, it's always busy because this is the access to go to the beach. And in this area, we have a lot of restaurant and bar. Also, in Raya Kuta Street, and right side, you see there is a biggest mall we call Beach Walk. Usually in this area always busy, but still very quiet. So sad, isn't it? Okay guys, so there is the condition at the moment in Kuta. Still very quiet as last month. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like and hit the bell because I have more information about Bali. See you in the next video. Bye bye.